everyone, this is Young Jyoti Stylist once again with another video, and this time I'm going to show you the Nuskin facial conductor, as we call Galvani. So it works for your skin and it removes your dead skin cell, wrinkle. Till the end you have to watch all the video to get the information in a right way. So this video is not affiliated with any brand and it's my from personal intention. Today this video is specially for facial treatment, how we do at home without like going for salon. We can stay at home and do our facial treatment with the help of Galvani. So I'm going to show you the product. Here are these two caps, very different. This is like similar foam and this one is like straight one, and this one have a different cap. So total we have 3 caps that I'm showing you. The facial Galvani conductor. With this machine we get total 3 caps, but from extra charge we have to buy this one. Like connect this cap with the body. Let's see, and you can see the difference here, not in the back. So with this difference you will find here the same, like see, yes, this one and this one should be matched. Let's do this. So this is how we have to like connect, and similarly with these two you have to do the same things. And for this cap, always remember to keep the power in number 2. Press the power button again. Wait 1, so you don't have to press for next button. So 1 is enough to massage your facial gel. So this is white one and this is blue one. Use with the Galvani, these two. To make a game complete you have to have this both, otherwise you cannot go with it. Sound it's almost So the next step is this one. It's already filled and number is 2. With this second gel, blue one. Let's pour it here. Our skin towards up. The sound, just go and check. can see the leaves different. This side and this side is little bit.
Can you see the difference? See this one? This side, no.
So let's find the difference from this side to this side. Just let me know in the comment section. Maybe this eye is big and this is like small leaves, and the jawline is sharp, and this shape. Yeah, so many things. So how many changes you found in my face? Let me know in the comment section. I'll show you this way. This way. Warm, not so hot. Now let's remove. Face lifting powder from Nuskin. This activator, so we mix this together and apply it in my face. So here we go. This is the powder, and now I will take with this spoon. So this much. You will like see out here, and activator. Sorry. Okay. Let's. The smell of this powder and activator is similar.
So after completing my facial treatment, I have applied face lifting powder, and now I don't think so I have to talk, get a chance to talk more. It's like
similar to other brands skin, but I don't find the other brands are so much quality than this Nuskin product. Once you got a taste to use in your skin,
I don't think so you will like that. They are like pulling my skin. I cannot like, I just sorry again, and I cannot speak now. Just a second here, I speak very clearly. Now the voice is not clear. It's so tight. I cannot speak. Oh my god, it's pulling so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot close my lips. Oh my god. Oh my god. I tried.
Now you rub it. And you can like now remove with warm like water. Now finally I can talk. Did you see that difference? Yeah, maybe the way they are like pulling out our skin and tightening, it was really working, and I don't think so this is not bad. So after using 3 months, I was really like happy and very satisfied with this product, and definitely I will like think that someone is also satisfied with this product after they use this. With our basic routine that we really like do, this is the toner that I'm going to apply. And for enhancer, so let's go and apply this enhancer. You have to apply a very like good amount so that it soaks inside and it's in creamy textures. When you apply, you have to put a good amount quickly in your face. And you notice that I'm using only a fingertips, not my palm, because I use my fingertips so that like cream only like absorbs to the skin, because it's made to apply in skin, not in your hand. Like this, take sunscreen in your fingertips, not in your palm. Apply it. Apply it. So this it's okay. Now it gives a shiny old baby some love. So it will be like a little bit sticky or like too heavy. So finally I finished off all the process that I have gone through, and just till then you have to wait and watch my all vlogs. So at last, what I want to say is that during this pandemic situation, all things are been messed up, and you guys are like no idea maybe after lockdown what you're going to do, whether you get the job or not, or you have been like fired with the same job, maybe, I don't know. But for that, keep a passion, and if you guys have any interested to make this kind of video, or you are like very creative enough, please go on and do your own business rather than going for someone's. This is my personal opinion. I'm not like saying anybody's, so just let me correct. Hope you like my video. I will come up with next video. Until then, you have to watch and wait for next video. See you later.